What's going on, everybody? In today's video, we are going to be talking about the Poetic Case for the Galaxy Z Fold 6. This is the Poetic Spartan Case. Now, if you guys are familiar, I did do these cases for the Galaxy S24 Ultra. This is going to be the new case for the Samsung Z Fold 6. So let's go ahead and get a look and take a look inside of it. And this case will be available on Amazon. I will have links down below in the description. And as you can see, you do get a little bit of an instruction guide here on how to use the kickstand. You do have the open and close of the kickstand, and you also have on the front here the replacement adhesive strips for the device, or for the case. Now, one thing about this case that I do like, and this is going to kind of go in line with the sub cases as well, which I'll have a video dropping on those as well shortly after this one, is you do get the S Pen holder. You get a spot for your S Pen, so that's a good thing, a good benefit to these cases is that you get a spot for your S Pen. So this is going to be the gunmetal color, and taking a look around it, you see you have some faux leather accents back here. You have the so-called metal finish, and you have the gunmetal color as well. I wish I could have got a different color. I would have loved to have gotten a blue color or something like that, but this isn't that bad. It actually feels like it's a really solid case. So taking it off, as you can see on the inside here, you don't have any adhesive along the inside seam. You just have it right here on this side, and that's to kind of help keep it down over here on this side. You also have a screen protector built in. It is a plastic screen protector. It's not tempered glass. And on the back of the case, we have one slot for adhesive right here. And then, of course, this is where your S Pen goes. Now, one thing about this case that I don't like is I don't like this hinge. I wish it was more of a pop back hinge like you do see on like a sub case, because I feel like this is going to be a close competitor to the sub case. But let's go ahead and pop the case in and see how it fits, or pop the phone in and see how it fits. So first off, you want to pop your phone in, and then I'm not going to remove the adhesive, but I am going to remove these front pieces. So we are going to take off this front plastic. So we'll take that off. And then we'll take off this back plastic, making sure we leave the adhesive strip on. And then we'll just slap this right on top. And mind you, I do still have the Samsung anti-reflective screen protector on my Z Fold 6. So this screen protector went right on top of it with no issue. And this is what your phone is going to look like inside of it. So we're going to swipe up here and get away from Twitter. And this is what it's going to be like. Now, first off, it does add some significant weight. I don't like the fact that this is open over here for your S Pen. I wish it was closed, but it does give it a nice little place for you to rest your hand at when you're using it. It does make the phone significantly wider. As you can see, there's a little bit of a, it's kind of off on the side here as to how it looks. But one thing about this case is that having this screen protector built in does mean that you're not going to deal with some of the things that you dealt with, like with the speaking case, where this screen protector, this side here, like pushed in whenever you opened it. So we're going to try to open it, and boom, there you go. Opens up with no problem, closes with no problem. There is a little friction, and I think that that's just because, like I said, this doesn't pop back like that. But for the most part, it's not bad. I feel like it's a decent case, especially for what it's worth. You do get your kickstand, so pop the kickstand up, and the kickstand clicks into place, so you can put your phone like this, or of course like this. And of course, if you are one of those people, you can either do it like this for orientation, or you can always prop it up like this as well. So this is going to be the Poetic Spartan case for the Galaxy Z Fold 6. If you are interested in picking one of these cases up, I will have a link down below in the description. Make sure you check it out. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will catch you all in the next one. Thanks for watching.